Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today the topic of our video is about the 3 best ways to achieve sustainable weight loss. Losing weight is a great step towards a potentially healthier lifestyle. However, keeping it off is the ultimate goal for many people who opt to make changes to their diet and routine. If sustainable weight loss is something that you want to achieve, then it's important to ignore facts and instead stick to a few key healthy habits. Weight loss needs to be sustainable over time, and it needs to come in the form of healthy long-term habits. Losing weight at a slower pace can help you keep it off for now and for life. When it comes to sustainable weight loss, follow these 3 steps that will help you to achieve long-lasting results. Number 1, actively seek out calorie information. Staying in a calorie deficit is critical to weight loss. So, knowing how many calories you need to be eating consistently to be in that deficit is a key. Calorie tracking is important because it helps you to figure out how to better navigate your correct portion control. Number 2, eat at home. Enjoying a meal out at a restaurant can be a nice way to treat yourself. However, it might not be something that you want to do too often if you want to keep excess weight off. Eat the majority of your meals and snacks at home because when we eat out, we inevitably take in more calories, fat, and sugar. Being the one in control of what and how much of an ingredient goes into your food is a foolproof way to eat better for weight management. Number 3, use the plate method. What you eat is just as important as how much you are consuming and where. That's why you should aim to fill up half your plate with low-starch vegetables, 1/4 protein, and a small serving of carbs. This plate method is one way to easily and visually balance your plate for better weight control. Thank you.